Welcome to my channel.
But I love it.
The 2017 Honda Civic SI isn't always the quickest car you could get for approximately $25,000. It isn't always the most effective or the satisfactory coping with. A Ford Awareness ST could beat it in a drag race, a Mazda Miata would take it within the corners, and a Subaru WRX would likely do each. However, there is one element the Civic SI has that's better than almost any other vehicle at any price variety, and it has 6 gears and sits next to the driver. Complete disclosure, Honda wished me to drive the Civic SI so badly it dropped one off at our office in Big Apple with a complete tank of fuel for a weekend. I'll get right down to it, in case you're waiting for the Civic SI to be the weight reduction plan Coupe model of the snarling, 306 horsepower, Nürburgring concrete, patently absurd inside the excellent feasible manner Civic kind are, you are going to be disenchanted. It's a long way in the direction of the everyday Civic than it is to any hardcore performance machine. That's not intended in an awful manner. I've been pretty impressed with the new generation of the Honda Civic, which launched as 2016 model and made the ubiquitous compact surely relevant again. Whilst larger than any of its predecessors, the state-of-the-art Civic is realistic, complete of useful era, and even moderately attractive to power in its very own proper. So the SI model, which has been round in a single shape or some other, once in a while genuinely another, because the 1980s, takes that fundamental recipe and makes all of it a touch bit better and more a laugh. And it does so with one of the nice 6-pace guide transmissions you can get right now, everywhere. That brief throw manual is the sole gearbox alternative here. No computerized, no CVT. That's a good element, and that pink trunk badge must straight away perceive the car's proprietor as someone who nevertheless believes in human using. Other tweaks include the front fascia, middle exhaust, C badges, a rear spoiler, 18-inch wheels, and a helical tools constrained slip differential which maintains the car stable via difficult acceleration. And the SI comes in a coupe or a sedan, the latter being what we had. Past that, it's all Civic, you'll both hate it, or, I wager, just like it. I haven't met many folks who say they love the agro-cyborg looks of the contemporary car. And at the same time as I don't mind it because it's distinctive, I will say I assume the design will age to be a timeless traditional. Like its SI predecessors, the front-wheel drive is the most effective way you may cross here. That's kind of wherein most similarities with the antique automobiles end. The SI has always been known for a notable manual gearbox. However, inside the past they've been set up to excessive revving naturally aspirated automobiles you had to gun to the stratosphere to get anything out of. You had to get that tech to kick in. And that meant performing some pedal paintings. Not a lot right here. Now the SI has a 1.5-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, similar to the only in the different Civics, however uprated to 205 horsepower and 192 pounds-toes of torque. Right here, it receives the task executed and makes the SI reasonably quick, however a ways from definitely fast. Updates around the world of automotive. See you again. Thank you for watching.
Bitch, I wanna party like